Good morning, y'all. This is the restrooms and showers at Lake Cove in Paris, Arkansas. We've had so much rain this year that our banks are gone. Only the grassland is left on our Lake Cove in Paris, Arkansas. I found no signs that the campgrounds weren't closed. Geese. Wow. This water is really up. I'm at Lake Cove in Paris, Arkansas. Wow, I've never seen it up this much before. See that big tree right there? I laid out there a couple of years ago. I don't think I can lay out here now. It's almost taken over. That little house over there. Huh. It's really bad. Can't get on the grass. It's just too wet. It's full of water. It's sprinkling as I'm here. There's a fog up there in the mountain. My son's sitting in the car. He didn't want to get out. Oh gosh, it's chilly out here too. I got a sweater on. Need more like a heavier jacket on. It's going on 6 o'clock. Now, this is the swimming area right here. Now that little area right there is usually for, I don't know. Nobody's gonna be swimming for a while. I just wanted to see how high the lake was up. It's up pretty good. Oh, I think I'm cold. It's cold out here. Sweater ain't enough. Yeah, this tree right here, this big tree. Well, we would lay out right here by this tree. I guess it'll recede. We can get our spot back, but it's nice to lay out there. And you see how green all this is? This is how it is year round. This is a nice lake. You just, except for these little balls right here, these gum balls, whatever you call them, they're not fun to lay on. But ooh, it's a bunch of gumballs. Look at that ground, it's just covered in them. All that brown is gumballs. Ooh. But this is a beautiful lake in the summertime. It's raining, so we can, well, I only saw one camper, but I think that's the camp, maybe the camp host. That's got bathrooms and showers up there. I'm not going up there. This is beautiful, beautiful out here. They need to suck these gumballs up. They must, because I never see them in the summer. They must suck them up somehow. That's what I do. You can't enjoy it walking on those things. They're everywhere. What's that, sweet gum trees, what you call them? Oh, yeah. only saw one trailer here with a bunch of trucks around it, and there's equipment. Oh, they probably had to move that up there. Those boats and stuff. They probably were underwater. Yeah, it's a mess out here. I don't even know if we can launch our boat out here. I'm gonna drive down there and see. Let's go down there. I'm gonna drive down there and I don't even think we could launch a boat.
But they're not limited on other days.
No parking anytime. Boat motors limited to 10 miles per hour Saturday through Sunday holidays. No swimming in this area. So you can't park here. Now, I see people fishing here. I've seen them go down there and fish. Yep. But no parking. Because you'd be in the way of the boats. Okay. You have to, I don't know if they rent that or what. Okay. That's a lot of cleanup on these parks. A lot of cleanup. This is a full-time job. Constantly cleaning up these trees and underbrush. Help keep the fires down. Let's see this. People here. I think this is probably the camp post here. Because they got RVs and ATVs. Because you're not allowed to ride them out here. I don't know where you're allowed, but it said something. But the camp host can. Okay. And what was the hours here? Oh. I want to get this so I know. Tell me, honk the horn if I'm in the way. Cove Lake concessions, day use, $5 per vehicle. Cove Lake Pass 40, passenger van and bus, $1 per person. Day use fees includes boat launching, swimming, picnicking, fishing, and showers. Camping is $15 per site, up to 6 persons or immediate family and 2 vehicles per site. Okay, passes honored here are America the Beautiful, golden passports. Okay, this is Cove Lake at Paris, Arkansas, if anybody's interested in coming up here. Back to my car. Get my sweater out of my way. We're gonna go home. Remember when we saw baby deers and all down in there? Little fawn. Alright. You want to go up to the lodge or go home?
Oh, not the lodge.
You want to go to the lodge? Okay, we're going to go home. We going home. Okay, they're turning. motorcycle behind us. Dead up here, isn't it? It's bad weather this year, raining. It's about every day. We had like a couple of really nice days, and sometime this week is supposed to be 80 some miles an 80 some miles an hour, 80 degrees. I think maybe it's Wednesday. We're gonna get 80 something degrees. Look at all that rock. Sure would hate to be in an earthquake and rock fell on me. Yeah, that had to be the camp house back there. I'm pretty sure it was. They use all that stuff for maintenance and this and that. Ooh, all that purple, isn't that pretty? What is that? Lavender stuff. New house. I didn't video because I didn't want to get your face in it. Misting out about a windshield wiper fluid. Ironically, I bought some today. I just was in the Dollar Tree and thought, I'll get a couple of those. And I went to squirt mine and I got a little out of it and then realized, I'm out. So we got to fill her up. My son's gonna fill it up when I get back home. Okay. We're going downhill. I'm not using no gas. Just letting it go downhill. Wee. Little bumpy. I guess we'll slow down. Guardrails. We had to open up bank account today, and we had to go through the drive-through window, and she was able to do it through the drive-through window, which I hadn't opened up a bank account in about 30 years. That felt pretty strange. I mean, this is my son's second bank account, but I haven't opened one in over 30 years. I've been with the same bank, and Bank of America is not here where I'm at. Strange. They used to be, and they went out of, I don't know why they went out of business here. So we had to get new banks. And now if you draw Social Security or disability, then you're, as long as you contact Social Security and you tell them your routing number and your account number, they can put your stimulus check in there. I mean, everybody was getting kind of mad when they thought they had to file taxes. I mean, file something to get the stimulus, which didn't make sense if you're already collecting Social Security. I mean, why? They already got your information, already got their banking, your routing number and everything. But y'all make sure it's updated if you want to get it. Because if they gotta hunt you down, you're gonna be put on the back burner. So I got the bank account open today, so Monday I can call Social Security. I was too late. It was at the end of the day and it was too late to call them. So Monday I'll be doing that. I'll be getting up early doing that. Okay, y'all, this is getting long. There's nothing but country view. You can see the view, the beautiful view. Oh, what was that? Buzzard. Oh, call. Zeus smelled like he rolled in something dead. Don't know what he's been doing, but he smelt bad today. I'm tired. We had a big day. Banking and a little food shopping today. Yes, wore me out. I'm glad I cooked yesterday, so I had something to eat today. Yesterday I cooked roast and all the trimmings, and so today I had a roast beef sandwich. Sure was good. Sure beat eating out. That was good. I might eat a little bit more tonight, or I might have my smoothie drink. I'll probably just do that. Just have my smoothie drink. Trying to keep my vitamin C up. That's what we've been doing lately. Having a drink. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let you go. Not much to look out here. This is beautiful though. It is pretty. Okay, bye y'all.